Good morning, everybody. It's Monday. We're headed to Speedsportz in the S14 because it's Drift Week. So today's gonna be an awesome day. We're gonna be doing a bunch of ride-alongs. We're gonna be selling merch. We're gonna be trying not to crash by idiots. We're gonna run stop signs. And I'm multitasking when I should be focused on driving. Yep. But anyway, Victoria's gonna be selling merch today. Hopefully you guys are coming out for a ride along. I know that this video will not be posted by the time we're done driving, but if you missed out, there's another opportunity in New Orleans. It's on the 11th. You guys can come on out and we'll be doing ride alongs that day too. So just enjoying this Drift Week trip. So far it's been a rocky start, but we're back in action and I'm just excited to get to drive a bunch of the friends in my hometown venue of Houston, Texas, Speedsportz.
Let's go, Masker. Push fielding all the way back.
Brian and I got in a little altercation there. He slowed down a little more than I was anticipating on one of those tighter corners and I came into him. I'm gonna interrupt this video really quick and give a huge thank you and shout out to Polydyn TX7. It's a company based out of Texas here. They sponsor me and they sponsored this stop on Drift Week. So they're out here hanging out. Deborah has already gone for a ride. Carl and Rose, thank you so much for the support. They make a kick-ass product, you guys. You got to check it out. It is a dry film lubricant that you just pour into your engine, your differential, your transmission, even the power steering. And it is a product that basically increases the efficiency. It attracts itself to metal, and then it pulls in oil molecules and increases efficiency, reduces friction, and improves overall performance. It is something that is really helpful and beneficial. It's already saved a couple drivers here on Drift Week 2. Both Rudy and Trenton had to put some in their power steering, and it cleaned that up. They were having some grumbling problems and issues. I gave it to Juan, who put it in his differential. I personally use it in all of the fluids in my entire car, the drivetrain, the engine, every single thing, and it's been running flawlessly for over 2 years now with TX7 and over 8 years as is, which is pretty impressive. Even Thomas Miata, whose engine was on the verge of blowing up, grabbed some of this stuff, I gave it to him, he put it in the engine, and he was able to complete Drift Week 2, which was over 5,000 miles for him. So pretty impressive. Now, I will say this is not intended to be a band-aid for crappy broken drift cars, but it's nice that you can put it in your car and it will help, you know, get it to that last little mile. And, you know, it's intended for your car at home that's running well to increase efficiency and performance. So I highly recommend you guys check it out. You can find it on my website. You can find it online. It's available at retailers nearby, I'm sure, and it's something that you should definitely try out. And again, thank you for all the support on Drift Week 2 and this stop here in Texas. All right, let's get back to the video. So I smashed my front left into his right rear. The damage doesn't look too bad. I got a little bit of the wheel here. The splitter's kind of a little bit monkeyed up, but not too bad. How'd your car fare?
My wheel's still good, so.
Let's go look at it.
Little mark on the bumper.
Yeah, small little things, but I'm gonna check the toe. The steering wheel's all crooked and weird now. Yep. Little mark on the wheel.
Tires, little bumper.
Okay.
We're good though.
Your toe looks pretty good though. Sweet. So we're just gonna do a quick toe check, and I think Xander's gonna help too.
I'm back.
And then I'm gonna give him a ride.
Yeah.
He's been like watching all day, and that's not as much fun.
Live it up, live it up, live it up.
First time in a drift car?
Oh yeah.
Wow. But you picked the right one.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
You hyped?
Oh yeah, man. I'm freaking.
Hell yeah. So your first time ever, huh?
Ever.
Nice. Stoked. You watch Hyperdrive?
No, I haven't.
You haven't? It's cool to like share with people who've never done it. Have you ever ridden
no,
anyone?
I've never. I mean, I've like drifted with friends, but not like this.
Not like
before,
proper
so,
drifting?
Yeah,
Like
proper.
street drifting?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So I'm pretty excited for this.
Awesome. That's it. All right, we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
In a drift car?
No,
No?
I've watched Lightning McQueen a lot.
Yeah? That's basically what I'm doing.
Exactly.
That's who my role model is.
There you go.
Red car, gotta turn right to go left.
Yay!
You're immediately getting right along to the first person doing it until the last, and you never stop. What's your secret?
I eat in the car, I drink in the car, I don't pee in the car, but I want to. Here we go, first lap.
Go for it. Send it.
Was sick.
Hell yeah. Car feels good though, huh?
Oh yeah. That's so predictable.
It's good. It's really good.
I could feel every throttle movement would change it.
And you can feel it like set back and plant.
Oh, yeah.
And just hold.
Yeah.
Thank you. Will you push the bottom button on the GoPro, please?
Yep.
So we're gonna call it a night here. Thank you guys all for watching the channel and continuing to follow along on this amazing journey. All these cars are troopers. All these drivers are putting in a lot of effort. So, you know, share all the videos and make sure you give everyone a high five when you see them.